This is such a cool coin set. Hello everyone and welcome to another unboxing from EMK. Well, it is time for the new Year of the Something set, and this year it is the Year of the Dragon. Yes, we are continuing on with the famous Lunar Series from the Perth Mint. This is the Lunar Series III, and this is the 5th issue from that series. So today we are going to be taking a look at 3 wonderful coins. Now I should mention this is the Australian Lunar Series, so it is of course unique to the Perth Mint. We've got our wonderful certificate of authenticity there, and as you can see it is a larger certificate. We need a larger certificate because we do have 3 coins. So altogether you have 3.5 ounces of silver, and that of course includes all 3 of those coins added up. Just wanted to point out that inside of the booklet you also have specific information in regards to Year of the Dragon. Very, very cool year, have to say. Let's get into the coins themselves. We have that iconic Perth Mint little cushion in there to keep our coins safe. And straight off the bat, this just looks fantastic. So nice to see so much silver together. Very, very, very nice. So let's take a look at this first piece. This is of course the ½ ounce silver with that fantastic dragon logo there. And of course it is a Perth Mint product, so we have Queen Elizabeth II there. And this coin has a face value of 50 cents. So ½ ounce, 4.9 silver, 50 cents. Not bad at all. Moving right along, we're going up to the second piece now. This is the 1 ounce silver. Now again, you've got that wonderful image of the dragon there, dragon logo, and Queen Elizabeth II. But this time round, we have a face value of $1. So 1 ounce silver, 4.9 again, and a worth of $1. Put that back in there. Now we've saved the big one until last. Let's just grab that out very quickly. Just the way this logo looks across all 3 coins. Really, really cool. So this one is of course that 2 ounce silver again. It's 4.9 silver. And let's open it up. Let's start getting into these coins. Very, very nice. Now as always, you've got the Perth Mint quality on these pieces. So nice to look at. Love the detail in this particular image of the dragon. And you will notice there it has a P125. So that's a very special privy mark, and it is to celebrate the 125th anniversary of the Perth Mint, which is pretty miraculous, pretty awesome. Now 2 ounces, we're giving this a face value of $2. Next we are moving on to the 1 ounce. So blink and you'll miss it because of course they do all look similar, but when we turn it over you'll see the face value, which does give it away. And of course it says on there 1 ounce, so I can't hide anything here. Just love that shine all the way through these particular products. Really, really nice, that 4.9 silver. Just great. Dragon 2024. And last but not least, let's have a close-up of the 1 ounce silver coin with a face value of 50 cents. Very, very nice. 4.9 again, Queen Elizabeth II, and Dragon 2024. Now I should mention that these sets do have a limited mintage of only 1,000 pieces, and of course they are available on our website, which is www.emk.com.